Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change the password of your personal hotspot on iPhone, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the password of your personal Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your phone settings. And here on settings, I want you to scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see this personal hotspot option right here. Just go and open it. And after that, there you go guys, you will now see the current password of your hotspot, so just tap it to start changing it. And then you can now enter the new password that you want. I'm sorry guys, I censored the password just for privacy. And once you're done entering, just tap done to save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the password of your personal Wi-Fi hotspot on iPhone will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.